Complement of sets. If U is the universal set and A is the subset of U, then the complement of A is the set which contains U but not in A. It is denoted by A dash or A complement. So we can say A dash equal to X such that X belongs to U and X does not belongs to A. We are taking example U equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and A equal to this one. So A dash equal to U minus A. Means those elements which are present in U but not in A. In Venn diagram, here we have total universal set and this one A. So this shaded portion is represented by A complement. Then union of sets. Union of sets A and B is the set of those elements which are present in either A or in either B or in both. This is represented by A in union B. So X A union B equal to X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. So by the Venn diagram, we can make it clearly. See A and B, this whole shaded portion will be represented by A union B. Now we have one example also here. So A and B, those elements which are present in A and B, so it will be A union B. Then intersection of the sets. The intersection of the set, two sets A and B, the set of those elements which are in common in both A and B. This one denoted by A intersection B. Means A intersection B equal to X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. By Venn diagram, this one A and this one B, the total common portion is represented by A intersection B. Here also one example, A equal to B equal to, then we are taking one common element, that is A intersection B. Now disjoint set. Two sets are said to be disjoint if their intersection is phi, but there is no element common in both the sets, so they are adjoint. They are known as disjoint set. So A intersection B equal to phi. By Venn diagram, both the sets are separately, they have no any common value. That's why this one known as disjoint set in which A intersection B equal to phi. Then difference of two sets. Difference of two sets A with respect to B is the set which contains these elements either in A but not in B. This one is denoted by A minus B. So A minus B equal to X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. Similar B minus A equal to X such that X belongs to B and X does not belongs to A. So now A minus B also written as A intersection B dash. Both are same. By the example, we can take A and B, then A minus B are those elements which are present in A but not in B, and B minus A those elements which are present in B but not in A. In Venn diagram, it is clear that this whole A and B, so this whole shaded portion, those elements which are present in A but not in B, this one A minus B, so A intersection B complement. Similar, those elements which are present in B but not in A, so it will be B minus A equal to B intersection A dash. Then symmetrical difference of two sets. The symmetrical difference of the two sets A and B denoted by A del B is defined as A del B equal to A minus B union B minus A. So A del B is the symmetrical difference is defined as difference from A to B and B to A, then we have union between them. Similar also A union B minus A intersection B. So in the Venn diagram, this will be total A and B, this portion A minus B, this minus B minus A, and both the common value, both the in the union. So A del B equal to A minus B union B minus A. Now we have some rule. A del B equal to B del A, or A del A equal to phi, A del B del C equal to A del B del C, or A intersection B del C equal to A union B del A intersection C. Now we have example here A and B. So firstly we have to find A minus B, then B minus A, then del we are taking both the both value which are present in A minus B or B minus A in both. Similar, by this one easily we can see here A del B equal to A minus B union B minus A, or A union B minus A intersection B. One example we are taking here, that is U equal to then A then B then C we have defined, so we have to find A minus B union C. So firstly we have to find A B union C. Then we have to find A minus B union C, which are present in A but not present in B union C. So this one we can find 579, the value of A minus B union C. Similar, we have to find A complement union B complement C whole complement. So this one also, which is present in U but not present in B union C. So we can find this value. Then also we can find A dash. Similar, by this easily example we can find all these values by using complements rule, intersection, union, and so on. So by easily we can solve this question. You can also try yourself. After that, we have to also draw the Venn diagram to present A minus B dash, A intersection B dash. We are also try to make these values with the help of Venn diagram. So firstly A minus B. So we can see here A minus B, which are present in A but not in B. So this whole portion which is present in A but not present in B, so this portion is also A intersection B complement. Similar, second will be A minus B complement. So A minus B complement, firstly we have to find which are present in A minus B, but this will be whole U minus A minus B. So this whole portion, because this one A minus B, so we have to find its complement, so which are present in U but not present in A minus B. That's so it will be Venn diagram of A minus B complement. Then third is A intersection B complement. So this portion is A intersection B. So we have to find those value which are U minus A intersection B. So this whole shaded portion is the represent the A intersection B complement. Then here A complement intersection B complement. So by A and B, so this portion will A and B, so this will be whole portion is A. Similar, we can also A dash intersection B dash. Now we have to make the A union B intersection C. So this one the graph of A, this one not graph, it will be Venn diagram. This one diagram of B intersection C. So total part is A union B intersection C. Easily we can understand this one by this Venn diagram. Next is we have to find A union B complement intersection C. So this one the graph of A union B complement, and this one only C. So we are a common value. So common is A union B complement union C. Similar, A intersection B union C dash. So this one total A intersection B, and this one C complement whole portion. So total union is A intersection B union C dash. So this one value is A intersection B union C dash. Okay, thank you.